Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. Coming at you today with an ACT math question. Today's question is number 45 from ACT 64E. Here's an idea. Why don't you pause the freaking video? No, seriously, pause it. Why not take a crack at it yourself? And then when you're done, you can unpause the video, see what I think about it. I'm going to have some opinions. Go ahead. Why not? See how it goes, and then when you're done, you can unpause the video and watch the explanation. Compare, contrast, dance. In any case, let's get into it. It reads, which of the following is a rational number? Well, it's going to be pretty difficult to answer this question correctly if we're not sure what a rational number is. So let's break that down. Rational. Which one of these numbers is reasonable or makes sense? No. The key is actually the first two syllables, ratio. A rational number is one that can be expressed as a ratio of two integers. Well, that's not very helpful. What's an integer? Well, first of all, check the attitude. Second of all, an integer is a tick on the number line. At least that's how my teacher described it in middle school. It's a whole number or a negative whole number. It's like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. It's probably the sort of number that you think about when you think about a number, right? So we want a number that can be expressed as a ratio, meaning numerator and denominator, of two integers. Okay, well our calculator can actually be pretty freaking useful for this one, okay? Because it has what's called the mathfrak function. So for instance, let's try this first option, radical 2. All right, radical 2. We press enter and we get hideous decimal, 1.4 blah, 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 blah. And then if we press math on the TI-84 or 83 and then enter, because the first option that comes up is frac, and then enter again, we find, oh, it's just the same hideous decimal. It wasn't able to convert that number to a fraction. And a fraction would be super nice because that would be a ratio of two integers, which is all we're looking for, really. Okay, so it wasn't A. Let's cross it off. Gone forever. Bye. Let's check B. Radical pi sounds on the one hand like a great menu item and also a number. So another hideous decimal. We press math, frac, enter. Ugh, still hideous decimal. This isn't going very well at all, but we can cross off B. So let's go to C, radical 7, and another hideous decimal. We check math, frac. Jeez, it's like these decimals don't even want to be pretty. Then we'll check the last one, D, radical 5/25. It's not the last one, don't freak out. The second to last, the penultimate. So we have radical 5/25, another hideous decimal. We use math, frac, and still, that is no good. And then we check our last answer choice, radical 64 divided by 49, enter. Oh man, still kind of looks like a freaky decimal, but then we math frac, and we end up with a simple 8/7. 8 is an integer, 7 also an integer. Woohoo! We got what we were looking for. The answer is E. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? My name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.